If you want to edit a PDF document on iPhone 17e, what you can do is you can go to the preview app over here, and once you go to the preview app, first you will need to choose the document that you wish to edit. The app should be able to detect pretty much every PDF document that you have on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Next, at the bottom of the screen here on the left side, we should be able to find a couple of tools that we can use, like for example the markup tool, where we can draw something, we can include stickers, text, we can add a signature, add shapes, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, there are a couple of different options that you can go through. And besides that, let me actually go back, I actually closed it by accident. Here we have the signature and text form box option as well, so you can easily add these into your drawing as well. And if we select this rectangle that is like a cut, we should be able to crop the page. So if you want to cut certain parts or get rid of something, you can actually adjust it quite easily over here, or you can copy it as well. So we have copy and crop options in here, so you can use that to, for example, paste anywhere else if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.